Hello students, welcome to Shortest classes. Today we will be solving some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. Let's start with question number 19. The major product formed in the following reaction is, and we have a compound given to us, and say CL3 ETONA are the reagents, and we have to choose from the four options given to us. So starting with the question, we first will start with the reagents. Say CL3, as we know, in presence of NaOET plus minus, will give us CCl with a negative charge over here, and we know that Cl or chlorine is a highly electronegative atom. So it will pull the bonded electrons towards itself. These bonded electrons will be pulled towards chlorine, and subsequently Cl minus will leave as a leaving group in order to give us CCl2, that is dichlorocarbon carbene. So this is our compound. This is the compound with a negative charge over nitrogen and a K plus here, and these are two pi bonds present. Next, this is what we have as the reagent upon this reaction, upon performing this reaction. So plus CCl2 or dichlorocarbene. So upon reaction with dichlorocarbene, which is a reactive intermediate, this will come over here, this bond will go over here, and this bond will come over here, and subsequently this negative charge formed over here will react with this carbon of dichlorocarbene and give us the product, which has a pi bond here and another pi bond here with a nitrogen here, and this bond has CCl2 attached to it, and subsequently this carbon atom has a negative charge over it because this bond has attacked over carbon, and there's a hydrogen present here. So basically what we have now is a CCl2 with a negative over carbon atom. This in presence of H2O will give us nitrogen present here, and this with the carbon here, and Cl another present over here. So next we will get minus Cl. This Cl will leave as a leaving group, and we will get this structure where this bond will come over here, a ring expansion will occur, and subsequently this will come over here, and we have this bond is now not present, so it will look something like a 6-membered ring with a pi bond over here, and a nitrogen here, another pi bond here, Cl present here, and lone pairs of a nitrogen. So referring back to the question we have, this will be our option number C. Thank you.